In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pulses across boards in Monday.com fast and easy. This skill is especially useful if you're managing multiple projects and need a streamlined way to keep everything connected. Learning how to use this feature efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to add a link to item column to your board. This column will allow you to create connections between different items or pulses across various boards. To do this, simply navigate to the column options, which you can usually find on the top right section of your current board. Here, you'll see an option to add a new column. From the list of available column types, select Link to Item. Adding this column is essential as it forms the foundation for creating links. Once you've added the Link to Item column, you'll need to click inside it. Doing so will prompt you to choose another board where the item that you want to link resides. A little tip: make sure you're already clear on which board you want to link to. This step helps in minimizing hesitation and ensures you move through the process smoothly. Clicking inside the column will open a window displaying a list of other boards from which you can choose. After choosing the relevant board, the next step is selecting the specific item you want to link. You can search for the item by typing its name or scroll through the list to manually find it. Take a moment here to double-check that you've selected the correct item to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've selected the appropriate item, confirm your choice, and you'll notice the item being linked will now be represented in your current board. The final step is straightforward yet crucial. Once the item is linked, it will appear in the Link to Item column, serving as a quick reference point. This feature not only makes it easy to access related tasks without jumping back and forth between boards, but also enhances your team's collaboration by ensuring all relevant information is readily available. This visual linkage of items also adds another layer of clarity to your project management, giving you a holistic view of interconnected tasks. And there you have it, a seamless connection between your pulses across different boards. Remember, regularly updating your linked items will keep your projects organized and efficient. This feature in Monday.com is a powerful tool for boosting productivity, making it easier to manage complex projects with numerous moving parts. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy organizing.